Hey, my name is Sam Alleman from AdhereR. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and load Adhere in RStudio. If possible, make sure you have the latest versions of R and RStudio installed on your system. And for instructions how to do that, refer to the description of this video below. If you can't work with the latest versions, don't worry. Adhere should work with all versions of R upwards of version 3, and the installation process is the same in earlier versions as well. So let's get started. Okay, here I am working with our version 3.6 in RStudio 1.2 point something on a consumer grade laptop running Windows 8. To install Adhere, you need access to the internet and the writable package directory. If you don't have administrator rights on your system, you can set the directory for your libraries to any directory you have access to, and even install R and RStudio in this directory. You can check and set the current path to your library with .lib paths like this. And in my case, this is a directory in the user documents folder because this user on this computer doesn't have administrator rights. For you to install Adhere easily, we have prepared a little script that you can download from the GitHub repository with the link in the video description below. So you can either install the latest stable and tested version from CRAN, the Comprehensive R Archive Network, with the command install packages Adhere, and I have specified a type to binary here to make sure that the Windows distribution is being installed and not compiled from the source package. So let's start, and as you can see, Adhere requires a lot of other packages which are downloaded and installed during the first installation of Adhere, which may take some time to finish. So these dependencies are mainly used for interactive plotting with Shiny. So in the future we might release a light version without the Shiny interactive plotting and without those dependencies. So while these are installed, I show you another option, which would be to get the development version directly from GitHub. So this development version contains the newest functions under development, which means that not everything will work as expected. So use this option with caution, and you need the package DevTools, and then you can just specify that you want to install the package from GitHub, and this is the devel branch that gives you the latest development version. So let's wait for those packages to install and then see how we go on. Okay, so once everything is installed, we can simply load the package with the command library adhere, Control Enter to load it here. So once it's loaded, we can just run some example code, compute a CMA, and plot it here. You can find more information about it here in the package documentation from within RStudio. So here from the Adhere package, you have some user guides and vignettes with detailed information about adherence computation with Adhere, and also how to access Adhere functions from other environments such as Python. Make sure to also check out our website with up-to-date news, interactive tutorials, related publications, and previous and upcoming webinars. So if you like Adhere and want more information about open source analysis and visualization of medication adherence from electronic healthcare data, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter, and join our mailing list on AdhereR.eu. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.